Okay, this is a quick video to show you how to set up your Flyskys FS-i6X with an X6B receiver so as to get proper 10-channel iBUS out of it. So hold down OK to go to the menu, choose System, scroll down to RX Setup, and we're going to choose Output Mode, OK. We're going to set the output to PPM, which I know you're not actually using, but that's where it has to be set, and serial will stay as iBUS. Then hold Cancel to save it. Then press Cancel to go back to the System menu, and we're going to scroll down to Auxiliary Switches, which is at the bottom. Hit OK. And you have to turn off your receiver first. There we go. Okay, let's try that again. So, Auxiliary Switches. So, Flyskys have limited this to 6 channels by default, so we're going to re-enable it as being 10. We're going to do it by going through and turning all these switches to on. We're using OK to move around and these up and down buttons to select things, and the channels we're going to set to 10. Then I'm going to hold Cancel to save it. Good, that's that done. And then I'm going to go back to the main menu. I'm going to choose the function setup. OK. Auxiliary channels. OK. So this is where we actually set up which channel is which. So channel 5 and channel 6 are currently VRA and VRB. That's fine. It doesn't really matter what's what. So we're going to set channel 7 to SWA, which is this switch up here on the top left. OK. Channel 8 will switch to SWB, which is the next switch along. OK. Channel 9 becomes SWC. OK. And SW10 becomes SWD. So that's now using all these switches and knobs along the top. And I will hold Cancel to save it. I know that's weird, but that's how they do it. And that theoretically is it. Obviously, I've got my flight controller here wired up correctly. Now, this is plugged into the S-Bus port. And if we bring the camera up to Cleanflight, if we go to the ports, I have enabled UART3 as a serial RX, which is what you need to do to get this working. Treat it like S-Bus in terms of how you set it up within Cleanflight. The only difference being if we go to the receiver tab, I'm using RX serial. And on this right-hand one, I've set it to iBUS, not S-Bus. And you should now see on these things, if I repower up my receiver here, I can now control all these using my handset, and I get all these channels I can modify using this. This is how to get 10 channels out of the Flyskys FS-i6, and that's all there is to it.